Hello everyone, my name is Pruvi and today I'm gonna show how to make stickers. Stickers like these. These look so nice, right? Like we could stick them anywhere. We could also stick them on walls, on ID cards and etc. So let's start. What do we need to make these kind of stickers? We need any kind of sheet or paper, whatever you call, and we need double-sided tape or single-sided tape would also go, and we need a pencil, and we need a scissor, and we need some decorative items. I've taken these glitter pens. You could take anything to decorate your sticker. So first we have to draw any kind of shape or something which inside you could write something, or if you don't want to write something you could just draw something. Like I'm gonna draw a star. It's better. Okay, let me draw. See guys, I've drawn this star and now I'm gonna cut it. See, how should I cut it? Like this, I have to cut it. See guys, I've cut this star and now I'm gonna decorate it with these glitter pens. So I'll decorate it and show it to you. It's totally your choice. You could decorate it anyway with anything. I've decorated with glitter pens and I've made some design, and you could also write something in with normal pen or something or marker. Then we have to take our double-sided tape or any tape, or any single-sided tape would also go. So we have to now take this and take a little part of it, just cut a little strip of it. Be careful while using the scissors. I've cut this. This could be a little sticky, but now we have to stick this on our star, or whichever thing we've made. On the back side of it we have to stick with the double-sided tape or any kind of tape we are taking. If you're taking any single-sided tape, you have to make a round of it. Like you have to, I'll show it with the paper. Wait. If you're taking any single-sided tape, so it would be like this strip, right? So we have to first make it round like this, and then we have to stick it on it like this. Okay, and it's very easy to make. And then we have to take out that back side paper, and wherever you want to stick it, you could stick there. I'm gonna stick it on this foam sheet. I'll stick it. And no sticker added. This looks so nice, right? And it's so easy to make, and it's just very little budget. You could make it easily at your home with your home things, any decorative item, some papers, or one single used paper would also go, scissors, any kind of tape, and a pencil. So easy, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.